How can you become a Kenyan and you go to an international activity and then you cover the brand Kenya? How? Even if you have problems with your organizations, that was not written Brookside, or it wasn't written Tusker, or it wasn't written Safaricom. It was written Make It Kenya. That name there was your country, your motherland, which made you what you are. And then you go there to embarrass us and cover it. Really, this is not acceptable. This is not acceptable at all. I was really pained to see a Kenyan covering their motherland in an international event. And we had a contract. Brand Kenya has a contract with rugby union. And today, we are cancelling that contract.